Hello again, this is Mitchell with Ideal Classic Cars, and today we'll be looking at the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. 1970 will always and forever be the most loved year for the Chevelle. The design was revolutionary and lasted only 1 year. This 1970 Chevelle SS 396 sports its matching numbers 350 horsepower V8 under the Cowl induction hood, mated to the Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, and a 12-bolt PosiTraction rear end. Other equipment on this stunning frame-off restored Chevelle includes factory air conditioning, power front disc brakes, power steering, and an AM/FM stereo. It's finished in bold cranberry red accented by white D88 sport stripes, a white vinyl top, and ivory interior with bucket seats and a center console. This is one super sport that you sure don't want to let get away. Now for the moment you all been waiting for, let's start that engine. For more information on this vehicle, call 941-966-1900 or visit idealclassiccars.net. For the best way to finance your dream car, use JJ Best. Apply online now and get approved in 5 minutes for low rates and get your dream car. Be sure to call 1-800-USA-1965 or visit www.jjbest.com. Thanks for watching.